The carburetor brings fuel and air together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor has many tiny passages that route fuel through it. If dirt or corrosion plugs these passages, the engine will run poorly or not start at all. A carburetor can be cleaned and rebuilt, but often it is cheaper or faster to just simply replace it. Replacing your engine's carburetor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before beginning this repair, you'll want to make sure you drain all the fuel from the fuel tank. I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. And the air filter. Now I'll remove the screws that secure the air filter base and the carburetor. With the carburetor removed, I'll note the location of each of the fuel lines and then remove them from the carburetor. Now I can install the new carburetor. I'll reattach the fuel lines. I'll place the screws first through the air filter base, then through the carburetor, and then attach this assembly back to the isolator. And I'll reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to install a new carburetor on your gas engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.